Moana versus Maui, rivals of the ocean. What if Moana and Maui stopped being friends and became rivals of the ocean itself? Would Moana's bond with the sea win? Or would Maui's demigod power rule the waves? Let's start the story and see what happened. The sun rose golden over the wide blue sea, waves whispering as though they carried secrets. Moana stood on the deck of her canoe, her hair blowing in the salty breeze. She had grown older, wiser, and stronger since her first voyage with Maui. Now, as chief of Motuni, her heart was set on protecting the ocean from anyone who tried to use it for selfish gain. But not far away, another figure stood on the cliffs of a lonely island. Maui, the shape-shifting demigod, gripped his magical fishhook. His once playful grin was gone, replaced with determination. The ocean gave me nothing but trouble, he muttered. If I control it, then nothing and no one can betray me again. For years, Moana and Maui had gone their separate ways. But destiny pulled them back together when Maui began reshaping islands with his powers, raising lands, redirecting waves, and frightening the ocean's creatures. Villagers came to Moana, terrified. The demigod has returned. He wants to rule the seas. Moana refused to believe it at first. Maui was her friend, her partner in saving Te Fiti. But when she sailed out and saw him bending the waves to build himself a fortress of rock in the middle of the sea, her heart broke. Maui! She shouted across the waters. He turned, smirking. Well, if it isn't the ocean's chosen one, come to stop me! Princess! I'm Chief Moana of Motunui, she snapped, her voice steady. The ocean isn't yours to command. Maui twirled his hook. Oh, but it could be. And with me, in charge. No monster, no storm, no human would dare challenge its power. Why fight the ocean when you can own it? The waves churned violently between them, as if sensing the clash of wills. Moana raised her hand, and the water responded, rising like a protective shield. Then you leave me no choice, she whispered. The battle of the ocean began. Moana summoned a tidal wave, her canoe gliding smoothly on its crest. Maui transformed into a hawk, soaring high, then dove as a shark, splashing into the waters to attack from below. The sea roared with fury, torn between its two champions. Fish scattered, whales leaped in panic. The horizon darkened with stormy clouds. You can't win, Moana! Maui bellowed, shifting into a massive hawk. I am a demigod! But Moana stood firm, her eyes blazing with courage. And I have something stronger trust in the ocean! She called upon the waters, which rose to form a colossal wave that blocked Maui's strike. For every attack, Maui unleashed! The ocean answered her call. Yet deep inside, Moana's heart ached. She didn't want to destroy Maui. She wanted to remind him who he truly was. Then, it happened. Their clash stirred something ancient beneath the waves. From the deep, a monstrous storm spirit awakened, larger and darker than anything Moana had ever seen. The creature rose like a living hurricane, its eyes flashing. Both Moana and Maui froze. Their battle had given birth to a greater danger. The storm roared. You fight for power, and you awaken destruction? Moana's canoe nearly capsized. Maui, for the first time, looked shaken. This is our fault! Moana shouted over the thunder. We can't defeat it alone. We have to fight together. Maui hesitated, staring at her. Then, slowly, he nodded. One last time. Partner! Side by side, they battled the storm spirit. Moana guided the ocean to shield their people's islands, while Maui transformed into a giant hawk-tooth slash at the storm's core. Finally, with one great surge, Moana commanded the sea to calm, while Maui struck the spirit with his hook, breaking it apart into harmless rain. The storm faded, the skies cleared, and for a moment, Silence fell across the ocean. Moana lowered her hand. Maui landed beside her, panting. Guess! I needed the reminder, he said sheepishly. Moana smiled faintly. The ocean doesn't belong to us. Maui, we belong to it, to protect it, not control it. Maui chuckled, scratching his head. Fine. Chief, you win! Again. She laughed softly. Not me. The ocean. From that day forward, Maui no longer sought to rule the seas. He returned to being a protector, sometimes grumbling, sometimes joking, but always watching the horizon. And Moana, still guided by the ocean, carried the lesson deep in her heart. Moral of the story. True strength is not about control, it's about respect, unity, and protecting what you love. The end.